English reading practice. The apple tree. Once there was a huge apple tree in the front yard of a house. A small boy lived in that house who loved to play around the apple tree. He would spend hours climbing the tree and running around it. He climbed to the tree top, plucked and ate the apples, and even took a nap in the shadow of the tree. He grew fond of the tree, and so the tree loved him. Time went by. The little boy grew up. He no longer had time to play around the tree. One day the boy came to the tree, but he looked sad. The tree asked the boy, "Why don't you come and play with me? I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. I am no longer a kid. I do not play around trees anymore." The boy continued, "I need money to buy toys. Sorry, but I do not have any money. You can pick all my apples and sell them. That way you will have enough money to buy toys." The tree suggested. The boy happily picked all the apples from the tree and went away. He did not come back for many years. The tree was sad. After many years, the boy who had grown into a man returned. The tree was excited. "Come and play with me." The man said, "I do not have time to play. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me?" The boy asked, "Sorry, but I do not have any house, but you can chop off my branches to build your house." So the man cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see him happy. The man didn't come back for many years. The tree was again lonely and sad. One hot summer day, the man returned, "Sorry, my boy, but I do not have anything for you anymore. No more apples for you. The tree said, No, no problem. I do not have any teeth to bite. The man replied, The only thing left are my dying roots. The tree said with tears, I do not need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired. After all these years, the man replied, Old tree roots are the best place to lean on and rest. The man sat down, and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. This story is of everyone. The tree is like our parent. When we were young, we loved to play with our mom and dad. When we grow up, we leave them and go. We come to them only when we need something or when we are in trouble. No matter what, parents will always be there and give everything they can to their children just to make them happy.